Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in the last video we have seen something on Wikimedia. So now we will be looking into pages. So these pages are nothing but your front page, like home page or your about page or your contact page or your services page that gets displayed in the front end. So all the pages that are visible for you in the website or in the front end gets designed here. So here also you have the same options similar to your posts, but the only difference is you won't be having a category here. Instead of that, you will be having a parent page and then child page, and you won't be having a tags. So the only options available here is you can add a new pages, you can delete bulk options, like you can edit them or you can delete them, move them to trash, permanently delete it, and then sort them out using your author or date or a title. So this is a basic rough example of your pages. So if you see, again you have four options: edit, quick edit, trash and preview. So when I click on edit, it goes to your detail page, and there you can start editing your data. And when I do the quick edit, as I shown you earlier in the post, it also looks in the same way, where you can change your title, your slug, your date of modification or your date of publicity, and then you can set up your password if it is private, and then you can select your parent page if you have any, and you can mention the order also. So if you have say 4 to 5 pages under the same parent category, if you give an order number as 0, 1, 2, 3, it will be displayed in the same format irrespective of when you create the page. Again, same, you have the same option for comments, and you have the same option for drafts and publish. So once you are done, you can just click on update and then cancel. You can start working on it. Next is move to trash and then your preview. So if you wanted to have a look at the page that you have designed, you can just go to click on preview and you can go through your website. So this is the basics for your pages. So we'll be looking into something called comments in the next session. Until then, bye. Please do subscribe to the channel so that you can get the regular updates on what's new in the market. Until then, bye.